How long do you think a gorilla lives? Do their lives span decades like humans, or are they shorter perhaps? Welcome to our exploration of the intriguing lifespan of gorillas, one of nature's most majestic creatures. Now, if you're like most people, you may have some misconceptions about just how long these powerful primates live. The truth might surprise you. Many people believe that gorillas, given their wild environment, might live shorter lives, perhaps a decade or two at most. The reality, however, is quite different. Despite the harsh realities of their habitats, these magnificent creatures, much like us humans, have lifespans that span across several decades. Gorillas are among the longest living mammals on the planet, and their lifespan is a testament to their resilient nature and survival instincts. From the moment they are born, they embark on an extraordinary journey of life that is filled with learning, adapting, and overcoming the odds to survive in some of the world's harshest environments. Just as humans grow and evolve over time, so do gorillas. They experience infancy, adolescence, adulthood, and old age, much like us. Their lives are full of fascinating phases, each with its unique set of challenges and triumphs. They learn, they grow, they adapt, and they survive, all while living their lives in the wild, untouched by human civilization. The lifespan of a gorilla is not just a number, it's a story of survival, of adaptation, of resilience. It's a story that is both fascinating and inspiring, a testament to the strength and resilience of nature's creatures. So, how long do gorillas live? Well, to answer that question, we need to delve a little deeper. We need to understand their life cycle, their environment, their challenges, and their triumphs. We need to understand what makes a gorilla's life so intriguing and inspiring. Now that we've piqued your curiosity, let's dive deep into the fascinating world of gorillas. A gorilla's life begins much like ours, as a helpless infant relying on their mother for survival. In the heart of the African jungles, a new life begins. The birth of a gorilla is a momentous event, steeped in tender care and fierce protection. The infant, usually weighing about 4 pounds, is frail and entirely dependent on its mother. The mother gorilla, a symbol of strength and nurture, takes on the pivotal role of feeding, grooming, and safeguarding her offspring. She cradles her baby in her arms, feeding it her milk for the first 2.5 years of its life. The bond between them is palpable, a testament to the remarkable maternal instincts of these majestic creatures. In the first few months, the infant gorilla clings tightly to its mother, a sight that is both heartwarming and indicative of the critical relationship between mother and child. As the infant grows, it begins to explore its world, but always under the watchful eyes of its mother. By the age of 6 months, the infant starts to show signs of independence. It learns to crawl and takes tentative steps, encouraged by its mother's gentle nudges. The mother gorilla's role evolves from not just a caregiver, but also a teacher, guiding her young one to navigate the complexities of gorilla society. Gorilla families, known as troops, operate on a social structure that is both intricate and fascinating. The dominant male, or the silverback, leads the troop, while the females care for the young. Infants and juveniles play, learn, and grow under the collective watch of the troop, learning valuable lessons of survival and social interaction. As the young gorilla grows, it starts to play a more active role within the troop. By the age of 10, the gorilla, now an adolescent, begins to exhibit signs of maturity. It's a transformational period, marked by physical changes and heightened social responsibilities. The adolescent gorilla, under the watchful eyes of its elders, learns the nuances of leadership, foraging, and conflict resolution. It's a time of growth, learning, and exploration. The young gorilla, once a helpless infant, has now grown into a confident adolescent, ready to take on the challenges of the world. As the gorilla enters its teenage years, a new chapter of its life begins. Gorillas reach their prime in their early adulthood, a period filled with challenges and triumphs. In the world of gorillas, adulthood ushers in a time of great responsibility and strength. As these magnificent creatures step into this new phase of life, they face a myriad of challenges, each one shaping them into the dominant, resilient beings that they are. Being an adult gorilla, particularly a male, means establishing dominance within the troop. This is no easy task, for it often involves intense physical confrontations and displays of strength. The males, known as silverbacks due to the characteristic silver saddle across their back, are not just leaders but also protectors. They are the guardians of their families, constantly on the lookout for threats and ready to defend their troop at all costs. It is a role that demands strength, courage, and unwavering resilience. And then comes the challenge of finding a mate, a process intricately tied to their social structure. Female gorillas, upon reaching maturity, often leave their birth group to join another, seeking out the strongest and most dominant silverback. For the males, attracting a female is a testament to their strength and ability to provide safety. It's a dance of nature, where strength and resilience are the currency of love. But amidst these challenges, adulthood in the gorilla world is also a period of triumph. It is during this phase that they reach their physical peak, their bodies a testament to their strength and survival. It's when they become leaders, protectors, and caregivers, their existence vital to the survival of their troop. These challenges mold them, shape them, and ultimately define them. Each trial they face, each adversity they overcome, only adds to their strength and resilience. It's a testament to their unyielding spirit and their unwavering resolve to protect and thrive. As the gorilla navigates through the trials of adulthood, it slowly steps into the twilight years of its life. As the gorilla ages, it experiences a period of calm and tranquility, much like the golden years in humans. When we think about gorillas in their old age, we might imagine a slow, frail creature, but in reality, these magnificent beings remain robust and continue to command respect within their groups. Just like humans, gorillas show visible signs of aging. Their hair may turn gray, particularly around the saddle area, and they become less agile, moving with a dignified, albeit slower pace. They might lose a bit of their strength, but their stature and aura remain as powerful as ever. An aged gorilla, often the silverback leader, plays a crucial role within the group. They are the decision makers, the protectors, and the peacekeepers. They decide where the group travels, when they eat, and mediate any disputes. Their years of experience and wisdom are invaluable to the group's survival and harmony. The aging process in gorillas is natural and gradual. They don't face retirement or a sudden loss of stature. Instead, they age with grace, maintaining their status and respect within their group. In fact, younger gorillas often show great care and deference towards their elder counterparts. Despite their reduced physical strength, older gorillas are not left behind or deserted. The group continues to protect and care for them. They are given the best spots to rest, the first choice of food, and are groomed more often by the others. This nurturing behavior displays the strong social bonds and respect within gorilla groups, and it's something truly heartwarming to witness. In the wild, gorillas can live into their 40s, experiencing many seasons of change, leadership, and growth. In captivity, with access to medical care and a steady food supply, they can live well into their 50s, even 60s. The golden years of a gorilla's life are a testament to their strength and endurance. These magnificent creatures continue to inspire us with their resilience, wisdom, and the deep respect they command within their groups. Their aging process is a poignant reminder of the beautiful cycle of life, one that we, as humans, share with them. So, how long does a gorilla live? Let's unravel this mystery now. To truly understand the lifespan of these magnificent creatures, we must consider their lives in both the wild and in captivity. In the wilderness, where they face natural predators and the harsh realities of their environment, gorillas generally live for around 35 to 40 years. Their existence is a constant battle for survival, and every day brings new challenges. Meanwhile, in the protective environment of zoos and sanctuaries, gorillas have been known to live for up to 50 years or more. Here, they are safe from predators, receive regular meals, and have access to medical care. Kolo, a western lowland gorilla, holds the record for the longest-lived gorilla in captivity, reaching an impressive age of 60 years before she passed away in the Columbus Zoo and Aquarium in Ohio. But what factors influence the lifespan of gorillas? Well, there are quite a few. Nutrition is a major factor. Gorillas in the wild have a diet rich in leaves, fruits, and small insects, which provides them with the nutrients they need to thrive. In captivity, their diet can be supplemented to ensure they receive the right balance of nutrients, potentially extending their lifespan. Another factor is the risk of disease. In the wild, gorillas are exposed to various diseases, some of which can be fatal. In captivity, they are regularly monitored for health issues and can receive treatment if necessary. Lastly, the threat of predation and human conflict significantly affects gorillas' lifespan, especially in the wild. Deforestation and poaching continue to pose grave threats to these gentle giants, reducing their lifespan drastically. Every gorilla's life is a remarkable journey, filled with trials and triumphs. Their longevity is a testament to their resilience in the face of adversity and to their incredible strength. And there we have it, the fascinating journey of a gorilla's life, a testament to the resilience and strength of these majestic creatures.